An example is the earth and the water element. They work very complementary. In other words, earth gives water direction, and the water nourishes the earth. So this type of relationship is really nice because each person complements the other and supports the other. Then, of course, we can take a harder route and choose people with conflicting influences. And that tends to cause conflict, fights, but some people need that way to learn. They need a really strong conflict to learn. And then sometimes we choose someone who's exactly like ourselves. It's like looking in the mirror. And those types of relationships help us see ourselves clearly. It's like, boy, I married my sister or my brother, myself. And then, how many of you have had a relationship with an opposite person? Friendship or otherwise, okay? We're always drawn to that mysterious part of ourselves that dwells inward, which is our opposite. And if we're unbalanced and we're not bringing out that opposite part of ourselves, we're going to choose friends, bosses, or mates who are opposite to help us bring balance. So those types of relationships can bring balance as well as a lot of chemistry because it's our opposite. So with the person that you just wrote down on your paper, write down what type of relationship it is. Is it compatible, conflicting? Is it somebody with almost the same influence as you? Or is it somebody who's your opposite? And so we ask ourselves, it's your choice, which is the best? You might be wondering, am I supposed to choose somebody who's my opposite or who's the same? Well, it's really your choice, and it's a lot of it's based on your karma, what you need. So you can choose strife or peace, it's your choice, or the same person or somebody who's your opposite. It's really your choice. So that's the interesting part when you become aware of your influences. You choose with awareness what you want. So the fun thing about relationships is when two or more come together, something happens. One is that a third party emerges, which is the relationship. It's like a third person that's born when two people come together. And so we're going to be looking at that because no longer is it just you and the other person, but there's like a third entity there that you have to understand and nurture as well. And then the other thing that happens is your energies and the other person's energies commingle. And then all sorts of things can happen. Firecrackers, fights, anger, complete love and bliss. It depends how the energies interact. So by using these 6 paths, we can understand what's going to happen when you get together with this person. So you can be aware and work with that. It's very exciting.